good.
Hi. Are you telling them about your kitties?
You the man.
Are you telling them about your kitties?
Man.
Yeah.
Bam.
Tell them that you have Kati. Kati. You have Kati.
Bye. Bye.
Be gentle. Be gentle, good girl. Good girl. You're gentle with Kati. Don't lift Kati, just rub. Good girl. Leave Kati's tail. Good girl. This has been work, you guys, the whole day today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new on this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. If you are not new, thank you so much for coming right back. So today I have a bit of an emotional video for us. So basically a friend of mine gave me a call yesterday and was like, somebody picked up 3 cats in a box at the side of the road, and so she contacted them because she knew we wanted a cat for Amandla, and instead of 1 we ended up getting 3 cats. So we've decided to take all 3 cats in and basically foster them. So we're gonna raise them as our own. I'm not much of a cat person. I know nothing about cats, but my hubby knows a lot about cats and he likes cats. So him and Amandla have been looking for a cat. So finally they've got 3 instead of 1. So we're gonna see how this goes. Guys, I know nothing about cats and I'm terrified of cats, but I'm gonna have to start learning to live with this. But I think I'll get used to it pretty well because they are very tiny. They don't look harmful at all. They're pretty much harmless, I think, I hope. Yeah, but I heard people saying cats scratch a lot and all of that stuff, so I'm just hoping that this is gonna be a nice journey and nothing bad is gonna happen. You guys don't focus on my hair. This is like, it was wash day, so hair's a bit messy. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys what's been happening. So we got the cats yesterday, and then today it's been over 24 hours now since we've been with them, so I'm going to show you footage of the first 24 hours, and I don't know, it's just been weird. But yeah, it's a new weird. It's a good kind of weird, but yeah, it's still weird. So anyway, enjoy the video, and I hope you like our 3 new cats, a new addition to the family. Anyway, enjoy. Here is our rescuer. Where is the kitties? Kittens, the kittens, the kittens. Smile for you've rescued cats. Smile for you've rescued cats, pet. Finally, we're excited. And you found them in a nice way, actually. 3. You have 3. You have 3 cats there. All with an M on their face. These cats are cute. Amandla. In case you guys are wondering why the cats are in a laundry basket, guys, we went in a rush to fetch these little babies and we don't have a cat bag, so we wanted them to be in somewhere where they can breathe. There's 3 kittens. Can you see them? Hi. Hi, kitty. Yeah. 3 cute little kittens. Good. Hmm? Yeah, peekaboo. Yeah? Hello, kitty. Hello, kitty. Oh, I must keep quiet. Sorry. Kitty's gonna bite you. Kitty's gonna bite you. You can't put your finger in Kitty's mouth.
Anna.
No.
여보, 왔어 봐.
Hmm?
zonza kaso.
Ungazenza ngani?
Zonza alukuni. Asivela so.
Hmm? Guys, please ignore Veli's shoes. I left them there because these cats, I don't know, for some weird reason, they like going into the shoes and then just sitting there. So I decided, since there's no toys for them yet, they might as well play with those shoes. Kati? Don't remove it. Kati's playing with it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bring it. Give to mommy. Thank you, Nana. Amandla kati. Uyaphi? Uyisikati. Oh, mpuna yi-1. Hmm? What's Kati doing, babe? Go play with Kati. Nyambon. 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 Get him.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today.
So what you guys see there on the floor is one of my dresses. Amandla decided it's perfect for the cats to play on, so she gave it to them. Oh hello, please ignore the clothes on the bench there. I'm still busy with laundry, but I just had to film this when Amandla woke up. Amandla ade ubaleka nje. Ngocela hamba la ngicela ubaleka yena. Bathini bokati? Give Kati the toy. Give Kati. Nikeza i-toy. Awuyingeni ke ukumnikeza ama-toys akho. It's not gonna do anything to you, Papa. I thought you weren't scared. How about you wanted the Kati? Hmm? How's your gym? Now you finally lose some weight. Yay! Kati! Hmm? Beautiful. Are you enjoying playing with the kitties?
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process.
So we initially got this cat some milk and some cat food, but they don't seem to like the cat food much. So I saw them licking off Amandla's bowl when she finished eating, and she was having pre-neutral porridge. So we tried that, and they seem to actually enjoy that. So that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked our 3 cats and enjoyed this video. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mwah. Mwah. What are you doing? Baby shark. Mwah. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark. Bye.
Bye.
Papa. Yay. Good girl. Papa. Mwah.
Mama.
Mwah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Da.